In today's video, I will walk you through how to view Telegram storage information. Please like and subscribe if this video helps you. Telegram stores photos, videos, documents, and other files on your device to help them load faster. Over time, these files can take up a significant amount of storage space. Fortunately, Telegram lets you view detailed storage information so you can see how much space the app is using and decide if you want to free up some storage. To get started, open the Settings menu in Telegram. From there, tap on Data and Storage to access the app's storage and network settings. Inside the Data and Storage menu, look for the option labeled Estimated Storage Quota. Telegram will take a moment to calculate how much storage is currently being used on your device. You'll see an overview of your Telegram storage information. This screen displays the total amount of storage used by cached files, along with a breakdown of the different types of content stored by the app. Telegram temporarily stores downloaded media, so you can access it more quickly without downloading it again every time you open a conversation. Review the storage information carefully if you're trying to free up space on your device. The breakdown helps you understand exactly where your storage is being used before making any changes. If you decide you want to reduce Telegram's storage usage, you can return to this screen later to clear cached files or adjust how long downloaded media is kept on your device. Viewing the storage information first allows you to make informed decisions without removing files unnecessarily. You can revisit the storage usage section whenever you want to monitor how your storage changes over time, especially if you frequently receive large videos, documents, or media files in your chats. Keeping an eye on your storage information is a simple way to manage your device's available space while continuing to use Telegram without interruptions. And that's how to view Telegram storage information. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another Telegram tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.